Okay, here is the second problem explaining partial quotients. So we set our problem up. We draw a line going down the right-hand side so we can put our partial quotients over here. Now, I always tell the students to look at the divisor and the first digit in your dividend. Since 9 is larger than 4, we need to look at the first two digits. 43. What multiple of 9 is closest to 43? Well, they could skip count. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Well, 45 is a little bit too high, so I'm going to go with 36. Now, 9 times 4 is 36, but 36 is really far away from 4,356. So, in order to change our basic fact to get closer, we need to make this 400. 9 times 400 would then give me 3,600. I can subtract. I have to regroup, and I have to be honest with you that regrouping seems to be the biggest hurdle right now for most of the fourth graders. If you want to practice subtraction at home, maybe across zeros, that would be really helpful, but you'll notice I'm going to start inserting subtraction problems into their homework because it seems to be the biggest issue for us. So I still have 756 pieces that I need to divide up into 9 groups. I'm going to look at my first two digits and I'm going to think, 9 times what gets me really close to 75? What multiple is close? Well, I know that 9 times 9 is 81. That's way too high. Well, if your child doesn't know their facts totally well, they can pick anything that they're comfortable with. So maybe they're comfortable with 9 times 5, which is 45. It is not the best option because it is still kind of far away, but they'll still get the job done. It just might take them a little bit longer. Now, to get 45 closer to 756, we need to make the problem 9 times 50, which would give us 450, and then subtract. Okay, I'm going to look at my first two digits, and I'm going to say 9 times what gets me super close to 30? Well, 27 is my closest multiple, and I get that by doing 9 times 3. But 27 is still really far away from 306, so I have to do 9 times 30 to make it 270. Okay, continue my line going down, and I know that I can do 9 times 4 to get 36. Subtract, I get 0. I do not have to write remainder 0. Add up all the numbers on the side just to make sure that I'm lining up my place values. So my quotient is 484.